Hi, this is David from expertvillage.com. I'm just getting ready to start the oil now for our deep fried turkey. This is going to be very loud. I think your guests will actually like it. They'll hear it in the background. It'll sound a little bit like a jet engine. But what you want to do is get your oil up to about 350 degrees. You'll use this oil thermometer. You can get this at any kitchen store as well. There's a red area here that you want to get between, so you can fluctuate between 350 and 375. That will seal in the juiciness of the bird right away, and you won't have to worry about a greasy turkey. So anyway, here's how we go. We just start the regulator with this. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. The oil's up to temperature now, which is between 350 and 375. I suggest 360 is about where I like it. You have your turkey with the coat hanger going here, so this would be your handy little wire. So this gets a little sticky on the bottom, but you can grab that like that. Now again, this is about a 12.5-pound bird, so it's only going to take about 40 minutes. So you're just getting ready, and you just pull this over here and get ready to drop it in the oil pan.